Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter, where I help to make math accessible, engaging, and approachable through various forms of content. Today I will be showing you how to differentiate various functions using the product rule. For more information about this topic, please refer to the article linked in the description. Today I will be showing you how to differentiate the functions f of x equals x squared plus 1 times e to the x and g of x equals x cubed sine of x. And as mentioned previously, we will be differentiating these functions using the product rule. We will begin by differentiating the function f of x equals x squared plus 1 times e to the x. To differentiate this function, we will apply the product rule. This gives us f prime of x equals x squared plus 1 prime times e to the x plus x squared plus 1 times e to the x prime. To differentiate the function x squared plus 1, we begin by applying the sum rule, which gives us f prime of x equals x squared prime plus 1 prime times e to the x plus x squared plus 1 times e to the x prime. We are now ready to differentiate these three functions. To differentiate x squared, we apply the power rule to obtain 2x. By the constant rule, the derivative of a constant is 0. And since 1 is a constant, its derivative is 0. And the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. Putting all this together, we obtain f prime of x equals 2x e to the x plus x squared plus 1 times e to the x. This is a valid answer for the derivative of our original function, but we would also like it to be in a form similar to the original function. To get into this form, we add the two terms together while factoring out an e to the x. This gives us a final answer of f prime of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1 times e to the x. Lastly, we will differentiate the function x cubed sine of x. To differentiate this function, we will apply the product rule to obtain g prime of x equals x cubed prime times sine of x plus x cubed sine of x prime. To differentiate the first function, we use the power rule to obtain 3x squared, and the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. Putting all this together, we arrive at our final answer of g prime of x equals 3x squared sine of x plus x cubed cosine of x. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.